Right, this is a momentous occasion because I'm no longer locked down. I'm allowed to go. Woo! I am back on the Ado A20F. So that is a change from the last movement video, which is a scooter. Obviously, I always say obviously. I've got to stop saying obviously because things aren't obvious. Let's see if I can get past here. Uh-oh, car's coming. So I have been on the iScooter R9. I've been stuck in my house for the last 10 days, and this is the first day I'm actually allowed out, which is very nice. So I'm going to go to check on get some parcels from the Amazon locker. There's no curb up there. But also, because the Amazon locker is at BP, I also want to see what the queues are like. Because obviously there's a petrol shortage here at the moment. So we'll see what that's like. Pick up my stuff. I've got 3 parcels. I've got a bag for life under my belly. Also, there's a kid carrying a kid. Also, there is a new camera, the GoPro, so see what that's like. I haven't got, the only problem with the GoPro is to get a microphone attached to it, you need something called a media mod, which you can plug the microphone into. Without that, we're relying on the standard normal microphone, so I don't know what this is going to sound like. It could be terrible. If there's a load of wind noise, I apologise, but if it is quite good, then great, I don't need to buy a microphone. If it isn't, I've got a decision to make, because I could take some external mic audio. There's no queue at all. Is it because it's closed? Let's have a look. What's it say? 24-hour off license. Yeah, okay, I know that. Well, is it just shut? Well, there's a person in there. Can't go there. I don't know. Can't even tell. Out of use. Right. Garbage drone. Cool. Yeah, I don't even know if that is like in stock or what. Let's get my codes. Might as well though, if you've got to work here and someone can't get petrol. 721088. Now what's that thing I always do? .088. And here's a random code. Free available top parcels. I don't think I need the rest of them, do I? Open locker 1. Ooh, it's a flat one. Oh, there we go. And close that one. Where's it gonna come next? Open locker 2. It's exciting, isn't it? Oh, 2 parcels in there. Is that it? It's got to be it because it's a 3. Is that it? Let's get my bag out. I hope it fits. And that's it then. This is very exciting. I did get a 3rd vehicle today that I'll be able to use for the channel. That is an electric unicycle. But the only problem with that, unlike the scooter and the bike, I can't just jump on it and ride off. I'm going to have to take a bit of time to learn how to ride. There's a car there. JJ down. Before someone was passing me, it was me beeping. Right. I don't know. I don't know this petrol. I feel like they've run out. Because otherwise there wouldn't be a guy with a drone just chilling. I should have talked to him about it. But I'm shy. Oh, I bet there's loads of wind noise now. I do. It's really windy. And I do apologise if you can't hear anything. Like I say, if this one doesn't work out, well, I'll probably just go back to the Insta 360 camera. The problem is, I wanted to use that one just as a 360. And then and use this one as my, you know, go-to GoPro. Otherwise, I'm going to have to keep swapping backwards and forwards from 360 to 2D, 4K, whatever you call it. Standard action cam. Here we go. Oh, I keep tapping. It's so embarrassing. Right, I'll probably just upload this. I could combine it with another video, but I have told myself this channel is going to be a nice, relaxing, chilled channel, not too much work. So most likely you're going to get a short video, and then I'll try and get out again and go on a longer ride, but it might be more like me learning how to ride a unicycle, which is my main goal of this weekend, as well as obviously looking after my wife. Hey, I was going to end the channel, but let's see what this car is. What is that? It looks like a Lamborghini. The one that goes with the Gallardo, the other one, that kind of era. The oh, what's it called? Batman's got it in Dark Knight. Can't remember what it's called. It's nice though, isn't it? Let's look back. We'll give it that. Oh, what's it called? Do you know what? I actually prefer the Gallardo, even though it's slower. I think that was the V10. The one we looked at was the V12. I can't remember what it was called. It might be a totally new version. I don't know. I'm no Lamborghini expert. Whoa, it's only good though. I still prefer electric. I don't know where I'm going. Well, anyway, I'm going to end it there, so take care. Right, yeah, so see you next time. Hopefully you'll come back and listen to me just ramble on about nonsense, or to watch me fall off an electric unicycle. So take care, and I'll see you next time.